Today, we will be solving one-step equations. This is a review from Algebra 1. Let's start with vocabulary. There are three words in the top right-hand corner: variable, coefficient, constant. Take a second to place those words in the proper boxes. Let's start with the word variable. You should have placed the word variable in the blue box. A variable is a letter that represents an unknown quantity. So in the expression 2x plus 5, x is the variable. Let's go to the next word, coefficient. You should have placed coefficient in the red box. A coefficient is a number that is being multiplied to a variable. It will always be attached to a variable. So 2 is being multiplied to x. 2 is the coefficient. And last, the word constant should have been in the green box. Constant is a fixed number that is not attached to a variable. So the number 5 is alone. It is not directly attached to a variable. It is a constant. You will see these three words throughout the week and throughout the year in your assignments. How do you solve an equation? Solving equations are done by using opposite operations. The opposite operations are: addition cancels subtraction, and the reverse of that is that subtraction cancels addition. Also, multiplication cancels division, and the opposite of that is that division cancels multiplication. Today's lesson is going to focus on addition and subtraction. Let's start with example 1. Example 1 states that x plus 4 equals 7. We want to find the value of x. So the first thing that I'm going to do when solving an equation is draw a balance line down the equal sign. This allows me to separate my problem into a left side and a right side. On the left side, you will see x. I need to cancel anything on that side with the x. So I see the plus 4. So the opposite of plus 4 is subtract 4, which will allow me to cancel that out. But in algebra, whatever you do to the left side, you must do to the right side. So I'm also going to subtract 4 on the right side. 7 minus 4 is 3. On the left side, I canceled the 4, so I only have an x to bring down. Therefore, x equals 3. Let's try example 2. Example 2 says negative 5 equals x plus 11. So again, I'm going to draw a balance line to separate left side, right side. This time, my variable is on the right side of the problem. On the right side, you will see x plus 11. I need to cancel the plus 11. So I'm going to subtract 11, which will cancel it, which then that allows me just to have x on this side, which is what I want. But if I subtract 11 on this right side, I need to go to the left side and subtract 11 as well. Negative 5 minus 11. Negative 5 minus 11 would give me negative 16. So x equals negative 16. And remember, if you feel uncomfortable about doing those in your head, you can always plug those into a calculator. Try number 3. Pause the video and press play when you're finished. Okay, let's check your answer. 6 plus x equals 5. I'm going to draw my balance line. On the side with the x is a positive 6. So if I want to cancel a positive 6, I'm going to use a negative 6. So let's subtract 6 to cancel, which means on the right side I also need to subtract 6. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Bring down my x equals negative 1. Let's do 3 more examples of a different type. Let's go to example 4. X minus 4 equals 5. Once again, balance line. The x is on the left side. X minus 4. What's the opposite of minus 4? Add 4. So I'm going to add 4 to cancel that. But if I add 4 on the left side, I must add 4 on the right side. 5 plus 4 is 9. Bring down my x. X equals 9. Now, if you would like, pause the video and try the rest of these by yourself. Let's talk about example 5. Negative 9 plus a equals negative 3. Sometimes these throw people off. On the side with the variable, which is a, you see a negative 9. I need to cancel a negative 9, so I'm going to use addition. So I'm going to add 9 to cancel that, which means I need to add 9 all the way on the right side of the problem. So I have negative 3 plus 9. Negative 3 plus 9 is 6. And on the left side, I have just my variable a left. A equals 6. And finally, example 6. This is my last example. Negative 15 equals y minus 11. So I'm going to draw my balance line. This time my variable is on the right side, so I need to cancel from the right side. So I have y minus 11. So I'm going to add 11 to cancel that out. But I need to go back to the left side and add 11. Negative 15 plus 11, negative 15 plus 11 would give me negative 4, which would equal y. Let's correct that a little bit. Would equal y. You may watch this video as many times as necessary. You can also look up other YouTube videos if needed. Now, you are going to complete your assigned questions. You must show work on a piece of paper, take a picture, and upload that picture into number 11. I know that this is easy work, but we need to get used to showing our work on a piece of paper and uploading it into the question that asks for it. Numbers 12 through 15 do not require you to show any work because they're vocabulary questions. So 1 through 10, write on a piece of paper, take a picture, upload into number 11. 12 through 15 should just be a multiple choice answer. If you have any questions, please email me at any time. Thank you.